Presiden ke Voice of the People Party VPP ban MLA ke Nongkrem uba Arden Mila Basayamon ulaong bakajingklat jong MP ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky Eje Singkon Hamauyong Community Health Center kapen pau ya ke jingduna ka bakrau ha ke rukom ai jing syakri jong ke tenat ke koi ke khia ke jela da ke bakedo ya ke jingmi ka jing tokit batikna bat ka jing pen pau da MLA ke thany halor ke jinglong jingman jong ke ne ke jaka sumar nga tharai philayo I ya ka kaipot jong ka jingtok kit bala penlong da ka sorkar bat philayo I ka e ka bau MLA ka than ula penpau halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka ni ka CHC kanehi kala keren ya ki jing shisha ba ka jing shakri hakaliang ka kot ka khya ha Meghalaya ka long ka bas ngau khya shibun ong uba Arden habakren shakilat pathai khubor ha ka arpusan terik rempang Habakali halor ke jingkeno bomdon Dr. Bakmi hapo ke CHC uba Arden ula kentaj ban keren ha ke bayade berkibriu shimen ngam don jingtep ban ngim kwa ban ya keren bat kino kibriu shimen Henry ngi hab ban ya keren halor kumno ke sorkar ka penyat yakini ki jaka sumar bat kumno ke sorkar ka penbiang ya ke jingdon nongtrei lemda ke sorkar ka penbiang ya ke jingdon nongtrei kat kum ke jingdon kam ki jingtei ki badon kam na ke benta ki jing sumar bat ki CHC ngam yo I bangin ya keren halor ke nukunu ka phang benrap uba Arden.
You see, I think you have seen the report of the inquiry conducted by the government, and you have heard also what the local MLA had, said about the condition of that particular CHC. So that itself, I think, is speak volume of the fact that healthcare in Meghalaya is very good. I'm not aware, and we don't want to talk to any specific individual, but we have to speak about how government manage, these health centers, how the government provide manpower in these health centers. Unless the government, provide the required strength of staff, the required infrastructures that are needed for the health centers as CHC, I don't see that we shall deviate to any other topics to discuss.